Because it's 7-year-old humor. Hey, man, that's what I'm saying. I'm not the one encouraging the fart sounds. In fact, I find them to be stinky. Serious times. Serious times. Anyways, all right, we're going to go towards the dumpster, and we're going to try to make a kite with whatever we can find there. I have a good feeling about this. Yes, you guys might think that some ingredients are going to be near impossible, but that is the mindset of a loser. True kings, true heroes, they think anything can be done. If there's no string, we'll use floss. If there's no floss, we'll use rubber. If there's no rubber, we'll just go home and try it again tomorrow. You can't wait to see this. I know this dumpster better be worth it, otherwise we have to go back in line, and I'm not doing that, all right? I'd rather end this stream and neck than go back in that line. Hey, White Truck Wizard, good morning, brother. If you're gonna go the scavenger route, you might as well find a vine or use shoestring. Dude, that's a great idea. Shoestring. Excuse me. Do you know where I could find some shoestring and some floss and some? I'm trying to make a kite. No? What? I'm trying to make a kite. Like you guys look like you guys look like you've been around. I'm trying to find a dumpster to find the materials. No idea. Oh, how's it going, buddy? Can I ask you another question? Can I get your Instagram? Is that possible? No? Oh, okay. It's for my stream. Just had to ask. Thanks. Just gotta try every approach. I can't speak Spanish. We gotta find that girl that was working that front, man. That's the one that I want to get the Instagram of. Shit. Dude, you think that was his mom and not his girlfriend? I mean, that could have been his mom. I don't know. I can't tell. Can't tell. Assuming they speak Spanish. He said something in Spanish, bro. All right. Mr. Steal Your Mom, hell yeah. If you guys are new to my channel, that's all I do. We're MILF hunters here. Here we go. Already I see some good ingredients. What is this? Is this some string? Do we find some string? No, but there's wire. We could do something with this wire. Is this string? Oh no, it's a phone charger. Can we make this string? Jimmy, we're going the dumpster route, okay? We're going the dumpster route.